Imagine this. You're an employee at a great company and they have a health fair for their team, and you participate and you find out some things you didn't know even existed. As a corporate wellness director, it's your responsibility to get the team engaged. And today I'm going to teach you one of the very best ways to engage your team in your corporate wellness initiatives. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kathie Owen. On this channel, we talk about corporate wellness, fitness, reality transurfing, and more. And today we're talking about corporate wellness and having a health fair. A health fair is so beneficial for so many reasons. And if you're watching my channel and you follow me for fitness, I invite you to stay to the very end because I have some revolutionary, innovative ways to improve your health that are on the rise today. Back in 2016, I had the very first health fair ever for the company, and it shifted and pivoted my role inside the company in a grand way. Why? Because people started seeing me as a different resource. They started to see, oh, Kathie doesn't just do fitness. Because remember, I was hired to run the gym, and that's all I did, pretty much, until I started getting my entrepreneurial spirit and saying, hey, let's try this. Let's try this. Well, when I tried a health fair, I actually won Employee of the Month for the company, and I was recognized as a different person inside the company. Today, almost 10 years later, I am now running what I call Wellness Days, which is once a month, mini micro health fair. This is so beneficial for so many reasons. We interrupt this program to give you a quick message. Please give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that this video is great for the algorithm, and subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell so you never miss a video from us on reality transurfing and corporate wellness. Let's get back into the episode. This is actually one of my favorite parts about my job because you want to get the team engaged in your wellness initiatives. How do you do that? Well, it's not necessarily easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. And it takes strategy, it takes work, and it takes innovation. Running a health fair, like I said, is not easy. But what happens is there's certain steps you want to take. You want to invite certain vendors to come in. And what I have found is a lot of vendors are like, absolutely. They raise their hand. They'll actually call me once a year and say, hey, I want to come to your health fair. I have several people reach out for this because it's gotten really popular. But you've got to follow some guidelines so that you don't leave anybody out, or you don't forget to contact somebody. You don't leave out little steps along the way, or even the day of the health fair. I created a health fair checklist. You can download that in the show notes and description below. But what is important about a health fair is it improves employee engagement. All right, I will have a link to the free resources that were recommended in today's video in the show notes and description below, and I sure hope to see you there. Let's get back to the episode. When I worked for the YMCA back many, many years ago, we actually participated in health fairs in the cities that were surrounding. And these health fairs were really, really big. But I don't see this happen as much as it used to, especially since the pandemic. But I invite you to switch your mindset on that because the health fairs are very beneficial. And what I've started doing on my wellness days, which is a micro health fair, is I invite in a med spa. And the med spa comes in and offers their services, which they do have like IVs for health and wellness, but those take 45 minutes. one thing that they do is they bring in their B12 injections. And these B12 injections provide energy for your team and health and vitality. And it's very popular. I have people asking me, when's the next wellness day? When are they coming back? What's coming next? And I even invited a supplement company. So in our micro health fairs, I have our pharmacy, our on-site pharmacy come out. They offer health screenings. One of our employees actually found out that she had high blood pressure because of this health screening. And this was a young girl in her early 30s. This was a pivotal move in the corporate wellness industry because what happened was this gal found out she had high blood pressure. She took preventative measures and now she knows what she needs to do because of our wellness days. This lights me up like a firecracker. Why? Because it's exactly what I want for my team. I want to build a healthy, happy team as best I can to the best of my ability. And it's amazing the transformations that take place by having a health fair. You want a diverse array of booths at your health fair that provide everything from chiropractor services. I even invite a vet to come in and they actually raise their hand. They're used to doing this. And it's so much fun and it helps the company in so many different ways. So, as a bonus, I'm going to share something with you that's revolutionary and innovative in today's world. What is that, Kathie? I'm so glad you asked. Biohacking. Biohacking is the future of the health industry. What is biohacking? Biohacking is an alternative to medical health care. For example, instead of taking an antibiotic to help with your illness, you are proactive. You learn how to do recovery treatments. You learn about red light therapy. You learn about immune systems. So we're being proactive in our health instead of reactive. And this also lights me up like a firecracker because I love helping people already feel better before they get sick. In fact, the month of July, our Health Wellness Day is going to be all about building a healthy immune system because what I have found is team members who have children, their kids come home and bring them a sickness and they're sick for a whole week. And then they get well, and then their kid brings home another illness, and it just perpetuates. Why not be proactive and start biohacking the system and taking care of your health and wellness and doing it for your team? Another thing that we do is our company is big on charity, and they have several different charities across the board. And our CEO is adamant about promoting this inside the company, different ways to work with these charities. So since I have organized a health fair and I know how to do that, they have invited me to start incorporating a charity day inside the company, which means we invite in all of our charity vendors or most of them to come have this day where the employees get to learn, okay, we're not just about donating money. How about time? How about effort? How about helping us do this? And it's a win for the company, it's a win for the charity, and it's a win for the team member. And I just love this. So one of my favorite things to do is set up a health fair. And in fact, I am teaching a workshop on how to set up a health fair exactly down to the minute details, including templates and everything, what to say to people, how to invite your favorite vendors, and more. If you'd like to know more about that, please leave a comment. Health fair. Just say health fair. DM me. Comment on some of my content in my social media. Let's see if we are a fit and building a health fair is good for your company. All right, that's my episode for today. I trust that you found it helpful. If you know somebody who could benefit from this, please share it with them. And until next time, I will see you next time. Peace out and namaste. Biang.